In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a project in Asana. If you're wrapping up a temporary assignment, moving to a new team, or simply streamlining your workspace. Leaving a project in Asana is quick and ensures you only see what's relevant to you. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few tips so you know what to expect along the way. First, open your project in Asana. Log in and make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization, especially if you use Asana with multiple teams. In the left sidebar, click the project you want to leave. If you're not seeing it right away, use the search bar at the top to find it by name. Once you open the project, you'll be on the main project page with the list, board, or timeline view. Next, click the Share button at the top right of the project. It's the icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. This opens the Sharing and Membership panel, which controls who has access to the project. If your screen is narrow, this button may appear as an icon without the word Share, but it will still be near the project title. In the Share window, look for your name in the list of members. This is the list of everyone who currently has access. You can scroll to find yourself, and in some layouts you may see a search field that helps you filter the list. Make sure you're selecting your own name, not someone else's. When you find your name, click the option labeled Remove from Project or Leave Project, depending on your Asana view. This action only removes you. It won't delete the project or affect other members. After you leave, you won't receive notifications from this project, and it will disappear from your sidebar. Any tasks that were assigned to you will remain in the project for others to see, but you won't be notified about them going forward. As a final step, confirm your choice. Asana will prompt you to confirm so you don't leave by accident. Click Confirm, and you're done. If the project still appears in your sidebar for a moment, just refresh your browser or navigate away and back. That's all it takes. You've cleaned up your workspace, reduced unnecessary notifications, and kept your focus on what matters most. If you need access again later, simply ask a project member to re-invite you. And that's how you leave a project in Asana. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.